How to write a good ChatGPT prompt. Anatomy of a good work prompt. A strong prompt includes 3 key parts. 1. Context. What's the situation? Set the scene. Give ChatGPT the who, what, when, where, and why. What are you working on? Who is the audience? What's the goal? Any relevant background? Example. You are a marketing manager at a B2B software company writing a newsletter for HR professionals. 2. Instruction. What do you want it to do? Tell it exactly what task you want. Be specific and action-oriented. Use clear verbs like write, summarize, reword, compare, suggest, create, outline, etc. Example. Write a 3-paragraph email introducing a new product feature. 3. Format. What should the output look like? Define the structure, tone, or any specific requirements. How long? What tone? Professional, casual, persuasive. Should it be bullet points, a table, a numbered list? Example. Use a friendly tone and end with a strong call to action. Full prompt formula. You can teach this as a reliable formula. CSS copy edit, context, plus instruction, plus format, full example, put it all together. You are a recruiter hiring for a customer support role in a remote tech company. Write a job description that highlights soft skills, adaptability, and time zone flexibility. Format it with a brief intro, bullet point responsibilities, and a closing summary. What to avoid vague prompts, like write a job description, no context, overloaded prompts with no focus, no guidance on tone, length, or output format.